I'm here today with the most ridiculous product of 2021, and that is the Apple polishing cloth. So this little $20 piece, probably like 47-cent piece of microfiber cloth has turned the world upside down and people are losing their minds. I didn't think it was that big of a deal. I thought it was funny whenever it magically popped up and like, oh, you can get this microfiber cloth from Apple. I had made a tweet about it. I'm like, this is a bit ridiculous. This is peak 2021 in Apple. And somebody actually tagged iJustine, and then she disagreed with me. But she made actually a really good video on it. And she made some valid points. The funny thing is, though, is as absurd and ridiculous as this product is, it's actually very useful. Especially if you have a lot of tech stuff and you're constantly liking to like clean your phone, clean your laptop, your tablet screen, all that good stuff. It has some use. Is it worth $20? I mean, $20 for a little microfiber cloth is a lot. But we're going to go ahead and take this out of the box and have a look at it and talk about it, because I was looking on eBay and I'm actually like losing money opening this box because they're going for like $50 and up on eBay right now. And they were selling for much higher than that like when they first came out. Like I ordered it and mine took like 5-6 weeks to show up, but some of these things are not showing up for a very, very long time. And you know what? This is not even worth unboxing. I'm just going to take this off. Let's take out this ridiculous cloth, right? Let's see what this is all about. So I've never seen so much fanfare and hoopla over a microfiber cloth, but this is where we're at. Maybe we've been locked up at home for so long and the world has been such a terrible place that we're excited by a microfiber cloth. And this one, I was reading, actually is like the same cloth that used to or does still come with the $6,000 monitor. So if you buy the $6,000 Mac monitor, they say, here, take the free $20 microfiber cloth. So I will say, this is probably the nicest microfiber cloth I've ever had. It has an Apple logo on it down here, so if you're happy about that, cool. If not, I mean, you can't like rub it away. It would be neat if you could like monogram this. Maybe you can. I don't know. I didn't even look. So it is very useful, and it's a very high quality microfiber cloth. Like this is probably going to last you like, I don't know. It could last you like 30 years. And if you get like a cleaning kit or you get some phones, like screen protectors and stuff like that, they come with these guys. This doesn't have anything on this. This is like the McDonald's dollar store, like dollar menu microfiber cloth that is basically useless after a couple of uses. This one is probably like 7 times thicker. I mean, there's probably an actual quantifiable number to it. It's actually very microfibery. Like it feels really good. Here's what you're going to get. This is why I am actually kind of happy about it. So I carry my Microsoft Surface Duo all the time, and it is a fingerprint magnet. And all the time I'm using lens wipes. I'm using these alcohol wipes, 70% wipes. I'm always cleaning because I can't stand these fingerprints all over my phone. So you just go like this, and miraculously, it's all gone. Like it looks nice and clean. So if you carry around a phone and you don't have a case on it, or if you're a person like me that uses a Surface Duo 2, it works for laptops, laptop screens. That's the one that really gets me. There's so much stuff, like I always worry whenever it comes to the laptop screens. This one, you can use it on your MacBook Pro screen all day long. Just wipe it off, get the smudges off, anything if you accidentally touch it. I don't like having smudges and fingerprints on things. So if you're like a crazy OCD, like it physically irks you to see a fingerprint on your phone or on your screen, then this is a very, very good product. I'm sure you could probably get a legitimate, decent microfiber cloth on Amazon for like $2 or $3. I would caution you, go buy one of those. It's probably from the utilitarian, the minimalistic, like it's a much better deal. If you really want the Apple one, you're going to be on a wait list for a very long time. Like if you go and look at like published wait lists, there's like lung, kidney, microfiber cloth, like bone marrow. Like this right here is in such demand, and all it is a tiny little piece of cloth. So it is useful. It is a really nice cloth. I mean, I could probably say that if you look at it, with the monogram on here, with the Apple logo, and the quality of this cloth, it's probably worth $20. Is it something that I ever thought that people would be losing their minds over in the year 2021? Like this thing's backlogged into 2022. It's ridiculous. But I mean, it's useful. It is a decent cloth. It's useful. I'm not going to slam it from that aspect, but like this whole mentality that's wrapped around it and the way people have gone crazy over it, I don't understand. I'll never get it. But if you do want one, I see the legitimate value. It kind of stinks that you have to wait so long to get one. Hopefully you can get one. I mean, is this something that you're even interested in? Like, do you see the value in a $20 cloth? Like, would you pay $10 for this cloth? Would you pay $5? Do you say, you know what, who needs a stinking microfiber cloth? A lot of people may or may not, but I like it purely from the aspect of it's very easy to just pick up your phone and clean off the screen. No alcohol wipe, no lens wipe, none of that crazy stuff. And I'm continually, like, every time you see me on video, I have to use like my lens wipes to clean my phones to make sure that I get all the fingerprints off of them so they don't look like some 4-year-old with a brownie just touched all of my phones, and then it doesn't really look professional. So I use it all the time. It's going to be worth its weight in gold to me. It's going to sit here and on my phones. It's going to make life so much easier. It's going to save me money. I'm not going to have to go buy all these lens wipes all the time. So yeah, it's great. It's perfect for somebody like me. But is this something that you need? Is this something you think we need for $20? I don't know. Maybe they can make like an SE model. Maybe they can make one that's like half of the microfiber and maybe, you know, a smaller Apple logo, and they can sell it for $10. I don't know. But go figure. Apple selling a $20 microfiber cloth. So that's all I've got in this video. Sound off in the comments. What do you think about it? You think people are crazy? Do you think it's the biggest ridiculous thing ever? I mean, that we're even talking about this in 2021? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Go to the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button. And that actually means a lot. You know, it's funny. I get all this traffic, like tons and tons of people come by and watch the videos, and they come back and watch the videos, and they never subscribe. So I know it's a very passive thing. A lot of people don't think about it. But if you take a minute to consciously go and hit that subscribe button, it would mean a lot to me, and I'd be glad to have you here if you enjoy the videos. So that's all I've got. Happy holidays. I know Thanksgiving's right around the corner, so I hope you and your family have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hopefully you got your microfiber cloth if you ordered it. And as always, thanks for being here. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my videos. And I'll see you guys next time.